Good morning and welcome to week 7. I wanted to go over the portfolio project final submission. So for this, you will look back at all of the portfolio projects, take the feedback that you got, and then revise the final document that you will upload because I will be grading all of the scenarios again. So make sure you look at the feedback that you were given and correct it. This is a video that will walk you through step by step of how to upload the documents. We will have a live session this week to go over any questions that still may be outstanding. It will be a optional, so you do not have to attend. But if you have time to listen to it by the end, before the end of the week, I would strongly encourage you to do that. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great week.